welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Tsahi speaking, coming at you again with another review of some synthetic hair from Sensationnel. This is the up and down instant ponytail and half wig. It looks, well, this is the pony and this is the half wig, and I have the UD9, so it's a crimp texture, and it's about, I would say it's about 24 inches long. So the half wig is, it's thick, it's a lot of hair, but it's very pretty, right? I wore this already, and little did I know about what to do to get it a little thicker. And what you don't do is comb it out. Don't comb it out. Use your fingers and just go through it and try to separate it with your fingers, and it will give you a little more body. Don't comb it out because it'll end up looking just a little bit straggly. I don't know if that's the look you're going for. By all means, do what you must. In this little clip, I'll just show you the cap construction and how the ponytail comes, and I'll just show you my style. I just did an up and down style, so you should see this, you should see that anytime right around now. Yes, so before I go any further, I would really appreciate if you have not subscribed at this point. Now will be a great time. I have some exciting stuff coming on my channel. Just put on your notifications so you won't miss any future uploads. It's gonna get good, guys. Yeah, so as I was saying, do I like this? I think it's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and it's worth it. This retails for anywhere around US $21 to about $22. So it's not bad at all where price is concerned. You get your money's worth, and you have like different options. Today I'm wearing it as a high pony. I will insert some pictures. I wore it as a low pony, half up, half down, as a half wig. So I mean, you're getting a lot of options. And also I have one to give away. So this is my very first YouTube giveaway, and you'll have to follow me on Instagram, and you will have to subscribe to my channel to get the updates of this giveaway. It's the same UD9, except this is the T2 Burgundy, T2BG. So the only difference is the color, but it's the same style. I don't want to take it out of the box because I don't want it to mess up the packaging, but it's a beautiful burgundy color. It does have dark roots, so the roots are black, and then it cascades into the burgundy color, so just about anybody could wear it, especially if you have dark hair. So don't worry, I got you. Yeah, I am very excited about my future endeavors of what I plan to do with this channel. I am hoping that you come along for the ride, and I don't know if I miss anything. Let me stand up so you can see how long it is in a high pony. So as you can see, it's halfway down my back, and I am roughly around 5'8" without heels. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. You know, very short video. Again, I'm doing a giveaway for the very first time. Follow me on Instagram at Tsahi Hair Goals to get further updates on this giveaway if I decide to do it locally, regionally, internationally. That's pretty much all I have for you all today. Thank you again for stopping by. I really appreciate your support so far. I'm pretty new to this, and I'm having so much fun with you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. So take care for now. Bye.